Hi, my name is Stephanie. I'm here to show you how to use the Rescue Japanese Beetle Trap. Open the bag with the handles at the bottom to remove the twist tie and the foil pouch containing the attracted cartridge. Then reseal the bottom. Flex the green panels at the top to create an entry for the beetles. When you look down at the bag, the panels should form a square grid. Press in on each panel on the inside of the bag, one at a time, so that the notch on the outside panel snaps onto the post on the inside panel. Repeat this step on the 3 remaining sides until all 4 sides are in place. This creates a funnel inside the bag, which allows the beetles to enter, but keeps them from escaping once they're trapped. Remove the attractant cartridge from the foil wrapper. Slip the cartridge, flat side up, over the center tab, lining up the 4 slots to snap it into place. Thread the twist tie through the hole on the center tab. Attach the trap tightly with the twist tie to a stake or pole. The ideal height is 4 feet above the ground. It's important to place the trap at least 30 feet from the plants you want to protect. This ensures the beetles are drawn away from your flowers. If the trap fills up before the 8-week Japanese beetle season is over, you can use the Easy Lock feature on the bottom of the trap to empty it out and keep using it. For more information about the Rescue Japanese Beetle Trap and the insects it catches, go to rescue.com.